Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by eliminating the simplest hardware issues because they are the most common culprits. First, make sure the iPad has power. Connect a verified charger and wait 5 minutes if the screen is black. Check the port visually and remove debris carefully. Dust or lint can stop charging. Once done, perform a force restart. This clears hung processes without erasing data, and watch for the Apple logo. If the logo appears, let the device boot fully before moving on to deeper fixes. Next, you tackle software problems that commonly block startup. Check iPad OS and available storage because updates and low space cause instability. Update when you can. If the iPad won't boot normally, connect to a Mac or PC and use recovery mode in Finder or iTunes. This reinstalls the system without erasing unless you choose Restore. If recovery mode cannot communicate, enter DFU mode to reload firmware and iPad OS at a lower level. These steps fix corrupted system files and most software faults. Finally, you complete the repair by restoring a clean system and confirming functionality. If software repairs worked, back up to iCloud or your computer and perform a factory reset to eliminate lingering issues. Then restore your backup and verify Wi-Fi, touch responsiveness, camera, and charging. If problems persist after a restore, you're likely facing hardware failure, battery, display, or logic board, so contact Apple support or a certified repair service. Tip: if an intermittent problem recurs, keep a diagnostic video and exact error behavior to speed troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.